Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an appendix to a Word document. The first thing, open your Microsoft Word. And the way to add the extra page or where you can put the extra information, you have to go under layout. Make sure you go under layout. Once you go there, go here where it says breaks. And this way you can select what you want. You can select an odd page, an even page, or continuous, but we are going to use next page as an example. Here, you can then type in appendix. Then under here, we can add the additional information that we want to add. And you're done.